welcome to my YouTube channel, Fun with Jazz. Guess what we're going to do today? Think, think, think. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dun, da, da, da. A cup. What can we make out of the cup? Think, think, think again. Magic, magic, magic! What's under this thing? A Jiggly Wiggly doll! Easy, simple to make. This is how the Jiggly Wiggly doll looks like. Let's get started. These are the things we have to make for a Jiggly Wiggly doll. A cup, a black marker, a red permanent marker, a pen, scissors, and a pencil. Now let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is cut all the way through. Next, we have to cut here. So here's the cup. So cut thin strips all the way through. This is how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be crunchy like this and half right here for the body. Ask an adult to help you with the body. I have two kinds of scissors for this, because you are going to cut all around from the line from the body. Maybe I should start with the thin one first. Now, here is what you have. A cutted body. The second thing you have to do is do this to your doll. Flatten it, flatten it, flatten it. Press, 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 press. Next, take a tree and roll it. Roll, roll, roll. And then flatten it just to look just like a girl. But the foam wasn't that much. This is my last one. Now let's do the decoration. Actually, the face. this is my finishing touch, and we've got it. But of course, to look like just like frog, I'm going to do button. Just like that. Now it's time for checking. While you're checking, my viewers, I'm going to clean up. I hope you like this craft. I made one before my video. I made one in my video. I hope you like this video. And if you do, subscribe to my channel, FunWithJas. Ring the bell icon for more notifications and videos. And if you'd like a video you want, comment down below and I'll get it done for you. And give a big, big, big thumbs up if you like this video. Bye bye!